Hello, today is Saturday, January 23rd, and we are having a blizzard right now, and we're gonna slide down the slide and see what it's like.
And it's in a lot of snow today.
Yeah.
Okay? Ready! Thanks.
Bye!
How is it to walk in the snow back here?
It's kind of hard.
Yeah. I mean, one of us wings are touching the snow. I mean,
The snow's... Oh, we could definitely make a snowman with this.
I mean, what how feeling snow is.
Have you ever seen this much snow?
No.
I don't think so.
Look, this is usually up to like here, and now it's down here because of the snow. Here. And
Even
there
when we
was this
step in
much
snow,
there's
we
this,
still can't even see the grass.
and also there's this on here, and now it fell off because there's too much snow. And watch, we do this. Okay? Can't even swing.
Anything else you want to tell your family and friends?
Also,
It's very fun to do this. We might slide a little later.
yeah, and our dad is trying to get the air conditioning so it doesn't have a lot of snow on it.
It's
And now-
harsh.
I'll show you how much snow there is up here. So,
There is
up
tons.
here,
Literally,
I have to
even
duck
when we
my
went
head.
out here,
and
our
usually
door,
I don't.
I'm gonna go
We
do some
could-
shoveling up.
we could barely even open the door.
Yeah! I mean, we have to squeeze out. Now watch me slide on the slide here. I have to stop because there's too much snow.
I'm trying to get too.
And then I have to, and then there's more slide, and then you have to slip off the slide. Try and see, look, literally.
All right, are we ready to say goodbye?
No,